guys, I'm Frank. Today I'm going to say unboxing video. Today I'm going to unboxing a HDMI cable. The price of the product will be 150 rupees. Also, it is an HDMI to HDMI cable, and also it is a rounded cable. Cable speed will be around 5 to Mbps. Also, the compatible devices will be computer, laptop, TV, printer, and much more electronic accessories. Also, if you're looking for a HDMI cable in a very budget segment for electronic stuff, just pick this product. Finally, in the box you can see one HDMI cable. Okay guys, thanks for watching.